So apparently I'm gonna be the only dumbass out here. Let's see how this goes. I don't see anyone here. Definitely no one is here. I'm gonna go around, loop around once and see if anyone is here, but it doesn't look like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the fat from that and then put it in there and then heat it up and cook it, and then I'm gonna cut up into pieces and cook it in pieces. That should be able to let me cook this bad boy here. Alright, got the fat going. Chop off a piece off a little steak, and now I'm gonna cook it from there. Got the mountain steak going here. Alright, I'm gonna flip it over now. Done cooking the steak. Looking good. Cooking the other piece. I realized I forgot the paracord that I put across there, and now I have to figure out a way how to engineer this without paracord. Oh man, I'm gonna check the car, see if I can find it. Alright, so I'm gonna use these damn thingies. My setup. Look at that. River Country Products. Little tarp. Yeah, this is my setup. Yeah. And this is the inside of it. You guys can see. This is the inside. This is going to be home for the night. And I still got to put up the bug net, so a little bit more. I think this is fungus, this right here. I'm going to cut it off like fire starter stuff. I'm out here with Gully.
Yo, what
This
up?
is the first time out here with me. Met on Facebook. Sorry, Sneaky, I'm cheating on you.
Not Facebook, it was Instagram.
Oh, Instagram, my bad. Yeah, I'm gonna try burn these mushrooms, see if they burn. So we're gonna find out if they
You
even
don't want to inhale that smoke.
get high. Well, we're doing it.
You good?
I'm good.
You ate?
I'll have one if you want to cook for me.
I mean, I didn't get a chance to eat because we were busy, but...
Yeah, well, you gotta eat.
No, that's what I'm saying, but I ain't trying to get, like, fucking stuffed, you know?
Just hot dogs, no buns. I love it.
No, I have buns.
Oh, nice.
I just don't have ketchup.
Okay, we don't need ketchup.
So just one, right?
Yeah, just one. His first time here.
Buns. This one got me all fucked up here and shit.
He's gonna be fucking cold. How to give him? I come all prepared and shit. Don't worry, I got you with the. Look at this guy. I'm like, I got like 3 layers on. He's got over here cargos. His feet are cold.
Damn, dude, you got me fucked up today.
I thought they were going bad. That's what fucking. I was like, what the fuck? Something wrong with them.
What is that?
I was like, what the fuck is that yellow shit coming out? I was like, these shits went bad. It's crazy how plastic burns. It'll be scary story time and then maybe go to sleep time.
Yeah, for sure. Go ahead.
Alright, so in 96, I believe it's 96 or sometime in the 90s, dude, there was this this couple that came out here. Not specifically Chilao, but the Chilao day section. I don't know if you've ever seen it while you're going.
Before?
Yeah. So is it before or after?